Good morning, grade 5. Hope you are doing well. So let us continue our lesson. Lesson number 3. How do matter change? This is where we have stopped in my last class, girls. It was page number 604. I am sure that you have underlined all of the important things what I told you, and I explain you about conservation of mass, that mass can neither be created nor can be destroyed. And conservation, the word conservation means to save. You added all three of them and you wrote your 275 grams. Now coming here, a chemical change turns one kind of matter into another. However, the mass of the matter stays the same. I told you that matter doesn't get affected. Whether it's an ice, whether it's the ice cube, or whether it's water, or whether it's vapors, all three of them are made up of H2O, right? Water is made up of H2O. The matter inside, the particle inside, the mass will not be changed. We just gave an example that a wooden stick, you cut into pieces and you weigh it again. You weigh that wooden stick before cutting and then after cutting. But the mass remains the same. So here, just to do an example, I must collect, okay, I take a conical flask, I collect something and I take the measurement here. I take how much mass is that? It's 300.23 grams, okay? When wood burns, it combines with oxygen from the air, and then see, listen to me. Then I again do the reaction, okay? First of all, the conical flask, this is called conical flask. It is sealed. Nothing can enter inside or leave. So final mass equal to the starting mass. Here, the final mass equal to C. You can check your girls. 300. This was before, and later on, I'm again doing the reaction. After the reaction, it is again 300.23. That means nothing happened. The lid was closed. You did not let anything escape out of. So that's way it explains that in the beginning and at the end they have same mass. Now highlight this. When wood burns, it combines with oxygen from the air. When you are burning wood, okay, it combines with the oxygen present in air, and burning will produce ashes, smokes, and other gases. The mass of the wood and oxygen equals the mass of the ashes, smoke, and gases that are produced. Because oxygen is from the air, and so we also have to take the mass of ashes, smoke, and gases, because these are produced from the wood. Remember that, guys. When you burn the wood, ashes come out. So the mass of the wood is equal to what is coming out of it. Ashes, smoke, gases that are produced. I hope it's understood. Now coming to here. In a physical change, sugar is dissolved in water from sugar water. In a chemical change, iron combines with oxygen to form rust. As I told you, you have a handle which for opening the door or the knob of the door. You keep touching it with water with your wet hands, and after some years you see that it's no more that shiny. It's started to rust. So here, sugar 125, water 73, sugar water 198. Okay, they gave you 198 and they gave you 125. Of course, when you subtract 198 and 125, you'll get water. Here they gave you iron and oxygen. Rust, it will form when you add. That's why I got 540, because rust is the answer. Here the answer was given, one of them was missing, so I subtracted it. Like sugar plus water gives you sugar water.